Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're finally here on the last scope for this big project we've been working on in downtown Kansas City. You've seen the videos where we have installed 9 King Pier 1s underneath the bottom row of stone of the stone foundation alongside the sidewall here from the exterior. You have seen the brick getting rebuilt, the brick veneer on the side of the house, the same side. That is finally done, and now we are really here for the simplest of the 3 scopes. That is the stone foundation renovation. So we are just getting everything set, getting all of our plastic up to keep the area as nice and neat as we possibly can. We're going to scrape these walls loose, get all the loose stone and mortar off the walls. You can already see a bit here. And then once that's done, we're going to come in with some fresh, high-strength concrete mortar. We're going to coat the walls from top to bottom, corner to corner. Once that's dry, we will finish everything up with a nice coat of white dry-lock waterproofing paint, and this project will be complete. So stay tuned for more updates. You can always find those again on our YouTube and Facebook channels. King Piers LLC, simple search. If you visit there, I highly encourage you guys to take a look at all of the various foundation repair projects that we've done, whether it's a stone foundation renovation project like this, or something like our King Pier footing support pier system, straightening foundation walls, wall bracing. If it can be done to a foundation, we have a video of it, and it's a wonderful tool to educate yourselves not only on proper foundation repair, but if you may be dealing with any kind of potential foundation issues, you can know and be assured that King Piers has the proper fix for whatever that foundation issue you're dealing with may be. So again, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.